Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start in System Settings because that centralizes display preferences. Open the Apple menu and choose System Settings now. Once there, use the search box and type Screensaver to jump directly to the right pane. This saves time versus digging. Make sure you note whether your Mac OS is Ventura or earlier, because labels and layout change. This matters for the next steps. Now that you're on the Screensaver section, keep the window visible and move on to selecting a style. You choose a style from the gallery so the preview reflects what you'll see. Click a thumbnail and watch the preview play. Once a style is selected, find Options or Screensaver options to expose timing controls. This controls when the saver starts. Set the start after drop down to your preferred delay from 1 minute up to never, and consider assigning a hot corner for quick activation. Make sure to save or close the pane so changes persist. You finish by syncing lock and sleep behavior. Open lock screen settings and set require password timing to match your screensaver intent, so privacy and convenience align. Once done, check energy saver or battery preferences for sleep timers that might override the saver. Make sure the two don't conflict. If the saver won't start, restart your Mac, reset NVRAM, or test in a new user account. These steps isolate software.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.